My name's Kemai, right? I've only just started to get into property from joining the course. I joined back in February. Since I've been here, I've managed to sell one deal. And currently, I'm just trying to find more deals to source and sell on, really, to build myself some capital so I can start taking on my own essays just to get that cash flow to then expand in the future to have a greater portfolio of property and doing different strategies and etc.
Great. And then did that surprise you that you can make money quite quickly in property?
It was very surprising because, funny enough, before I joined the course, really, I signed up to the deal selling course alone. And before I even came to the first deal selling course, I managed to source and sell my own property just through, had a bit of help from one of my friends that is on the academy. And that kind of gave me the confidence to join up and get involved and start pushing towards a better future.
How's that journey been on the academy so far?
Journey's been fantastic, to be honest. There's been loads of information. I've been flooded with information, to be honest. And it's really opened my eyes and shown me that there's loads of ways to make money and there's a bright future ahead.
Great. And what would you say to someone who's looking to get into property?
I'd say don't let it be too daunting and just get stuck in and take that step forward and push yourself, and you'll be surprised of what you can achieve.
And what do you think about an environment like this? Is this useful for people?
It's very useful. The environment's very encouraging. Just speaking with other people and hearing what they've done and what they can do in such little time is very what's it called? It's very eye opening and very encouraging. So it will get you going and it'll get you excited, itching to get involved and get stuff done.